My PhD work is entitled The European Transnational Network Between Global Governance and Local Change in the Cultural and Creative Sector. If not harmonizing policy, then what? I analyze the 28 Creative Europe funded transnational network in the cultural sector, so music, cultural heritage, theater, dance, circus, architecture, and multidisciplinary. And I'm asking what function do European transnational network have in a cultural and creative sector if not harmonizing policies? This question has theoretical as well as operational implication, which I try to shed light throughout my work. The European transnational network emerged in different policy sectors since 2000, and they are a new actor tackling global complex issues and wicked problem. They are part of a wider Europeanization process. On the one hand, this new structure enhance participation in policy-making processes involving new actors such as civil society, organization, municipality, and region. But on the other, at the same time, they also endanger democratic legitimation by reinforcing close elite in decision-making processes. Network and in our case the network operating in the cultural sector cover a hybrid position, which means that at the same time there are top-down mechanisms in our case in the European cultural policy framework, but at the same time they are also a structure initiated from grassroots actors such as a cultural organization, cities, municipality. So they cover this very hybrid position that will be further enveloped throughout the work. The question that I highlight, they are on two different levels. I first ask how transnational networks operate on the European and a political level and what are their effects. But also I inquire what are the transnational network membership impact on the local level. So to conclude, I try to look at the network design feature unfolding their typology, structure, and function, and I try to see what different effect could produce combined with contextual local factor. To conclude with a quote from one of the interview I did, to a transnational network, they say that their function is they do what the European Commission cannot do. So they are realizing the European cultural space.